Thank you very much for giving me this opportunity. I'm sorry I had earlier decided not to be here today because I was supposed to be outside Delhi, but fortunately I came here and I have met many colleagues and I have also heard very good presentations. Uh, COPSE, we call it Council of Boards of School Education in India. We have more than 40 boards in the country. And not all boards have introduced continuous and comprehensive evaluation, but a very bold step has been taken by CBSE by introducing this, and naturally there are many issues involved in this, and many people criticize that this is not happening, that is not happening, and it's all mechanical, all types of things are being said. But the very fact CBSE introduced this, I must compliment CBSE for this. We have CC also in Kerala, and as Professor Agarwal said, in Haryana. But many other boards are making partly use of CC approach to evaluate their students, not all, but many boards in a way are doing it. Most of the schools in some form or other, they think of continuous and comprehensive evaluation, but they don't take this into account while giving a final verdict on the student's achievement. This is something we need to make note of. But even now, when CBSE has introduced continuous and comprehensive evaluation, they are going to have two certificates, one on scholastic dimensions, another on co-scholastic dimensions. They are not adding to it. But there are boards which think they should add to it. Normally there is a external evaluation as 80% weightage normally. But some boards felt that co-curricular or co-scholastic dimension should have more weightage, and many boards would like to put these separately, but there are boards which are interested in adding these two dimensions. And we can think about it whether this is okay or not. Now, you have already said what CC has been able to achieve and does it, but one of the important things in CC is the role of the teacher. Our teachers have not been oriented to this adequately. And there is a need for training of teachers in an extensive manner. In fact, wherever CC has been introduced, teachers thought this is an easy way out, which is not true. And many teachers say that they have a lot more work to do now than they used to do. Now we need to help teachers to ensure that the CC works effectively. And training plans and training approaches are being devised. CBSE is doing this, but many other boards are trying to do this. Another issue is we have a formative evaluation. We are not sure. I have seen many people giving a paper on formative evaluation. Since formative evaluation is added to the summative evaluation, the result, usually formative evaluation is also being considered as another test, and which is, we need to work on this. We haven't given enough training to our teachers to develop formative evaluation approach or a paper. And this is being considered like any other paper, and we need to work on this. The other, in fact, if I have my way, I will not add formative evaluation marks to the annual examination at all. And we are trying to work on this. But I have seen this happening, and this is bothering us. Since we are working with all the boards, we might be able to carry this message to them. Another issue is that co-scholastic area is difficult to measure. We have some of the qualities, certain like punctuality, discipline, you can. But there are many aspects of co-scholastic area which is difficult to measure. And in Gujarat, what they have done, they have many descriptions. They just describe the quality. They don't evaluate otherwise. But we need to work on this. This is not an easy job, and we are trying to do something in this direction. The other thing, as I said, parents still do not trust teachers. And in CC, this is important that we trust teachers. What to say, parents, students don't trust, others don't trust. Here I like to tell you that CBSE this year has conducted a study whereby it found that CC-based result was far more appropriate, had less biases than the external examination. And I saw the analysis and I was surprised that this is so. For example, most of us in our schools give 24 out of 25 in practical work. And it is never less than 20. But this hasn't happened now with CC. It means teachers have become more conscious of their responsibility. Even in Haryana, they have tried to check on this. If they find that internal assessment is very different from the external assessment, they are making an inquiry about it. Yes, Professor Agarwal, am I right? I am aware of this. Now, we need to work very seriously about the trustworthiness of the teachers, and mostly not that the teachers are biased, but they have not been trained. They do not know how to evaluate properly. And if we do that, we will be able to work on this. As I said, parents are not convinced of this. We need to do a lot of advocacy about CC, lot of advocacy. And since we have started this, we have to work on this, and we are ourselves working. Another thing is, there are certain areas where co-curricular and scholastic both combine, like practical work. In all practical work, there is also a scholastic dimension. And when we give a combined marks for practical work, we take both scholastic and co-scholastic areas together. We need to work on this and see. So some of these are the problems. Many of you might have found out a solution to this. We are still struggling with this. COPSE had been working in this area since 1993 under the leadership of Dr. Dave. This year, only recently, a week back, we got this book, you may call it booklet, printed. And we are sending it to all the boards. These have already been sent, and also to others who are interested in this. The title is Continuous and Comprehensive Evaluation, a Framework. And this is for secondary education. We have brought this out. I do not have enough copies, otherwise I would have given to each one of you. But if you want additional copies, you have to tell me, then we can order for the reprinting of this. Because most of the copies we have printed are virtually being sent out. But if there is a definite demand for this, please let us know. Then we'll. Thank you very much.